memorizing this piece actually helps speed up the process of learning it, speed up the tempo of it as you are studying this. A few tricky things happening here is first of all, the spiccato in the middle of the bow. That's never easy, but it can be learned. But really the tricky thing is the mixed bowing part, when you have to go up bow with a little accent on a string and then quickly change back to off string. So that little nasty legato part that he's adding at the end of each measure is just kind of making the whole thing very spicy. And that's what, changing the dynamic of the whole thing. It would be a whole lot easier if he didn't do that. It just straight 8 notes, spiccato, middle of the bow, here we go. It would be much easier. But that's not what we have. So we have to be careful and follow what he's asking us to do. As you're learning this, it's helpful at a lower tempo to maybe don't play in the middle, but actually maybe start at a lower half at first and make your way up to a middle of the bow as you're picking up the tempo, as you're going faster and faster and closer to the target of 160 is what he's suggesting. Be very careful with string crossings here. There's a couple of really nasty spots that you may need to look at. And of course, just as I said before, and if you've been watching my videos about previous variations, you already know, but I'm going to say it one more time anyway. So be sure to follow the 8 measure structure. You have section A, 8 measures, section B, 8 measures, section C, 8 measures. So you need to practice it just like that. This is how he intended this to be. So just if you figure that out, if you crack that nut, it's much easier to process it and much easier to analyze it, much easier to learn it. So hopefully that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons online. Thanks for watching.